So in an effort to make this interview a bit more, or less, whichever way you look at it, controversial, we've created...
You're getting ready to fight.
The Wheel of Limitations.
The Wheel of Limitations.
Yeah, this is the wheel right here. We're going to ask you a question, then spin the wheel, and then just look at it and answer it in that style.
Okay.
Your new video is rather raunchy. It features you romping around with your lovely lady, Evan Rachel Wood, while blood rains down on you. Is it true that the blood wasn't intentional, but you had an overhead fan that pigeons were attracted to? They kept flying into it. And
Hypnotic quality.
The blood it poured down, and it was just that you thought, actually, the pigeon blood looks good.
Can't confirm or deny that. Actually, after I finished it, Evan, who is close to me, but also I respect as an actress, said to me that raining blood is more romantic than a diamond. And I said, dying is a girl's best friend.